Morning, folks. This is Wednesday, July 10th, 2019, and I was greeted this morning with microwave skies. I guess you can see that. And the usual toxic poison that they're spraying on all of us. There's a little bit of natural moisture up there. What I think they're doing is making sure that none of it falls, lining us all up for the wildfire season, which could start at any time. It's absolutely disgusting. Yesterday there were half a dozen drops of rain that fell. Not enough to do anything, but I guess they scared themselves. They wouldn't dare let us get a nice downfall to keep things wet. Looking forward to burning the place down to the ground, I guess. So I just thought I'd give you a quick view and let you see what's going on here. That looks like cottage cheese skies. Okay, well, wherever you are, take care, everybody.